Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder server error. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder server error, you should just go to settings as you see and we click. After that, in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Tinder. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that, we click storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can turn off your phone if it's not working with you. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.